Everyone, welcome back to another Java lesson for beginners. Today's lesson is on while loops. Before we start, if you do not know what the purpose of a loop is in Java, it is a statement that allows a set of instructions to be repeated. So this is a diagram of how a loop basically works. Okay, let's first start by going through the syntax of while loops. The parameter being passed is the Boolean expression. This is because we need to check if a condition is true or false to proceed. As you can see, the variable is declared outside the loop and is updated inside the loop. The statements inside the braces are executed until the condition in the parameter becomes false. And as you can see, the example is an infinite loop because it never ends. Well, thank you for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe.